In today's class, we're going to learn our very first selection tool of the year, the Marquee tool, to create a human collage in which we're going to be stitching together different facial characteristics to produce a new individual. You're going to download the blank canvas from Google Classroom. And the very first tool, again, that we're going to be learning is the Marquee tool. The hotkey is simply M. How does this tool work? Well, first we need to find inspiration before we can apply that tool. So here, Jacob Resnick created the ideal baseball player. You're going to think about different themes that you want to include for your human collage. Here's another great example. Once more, here we've got Caitlin, who did an outstanding job. This is clever and creative, and our expectation is that you do something similar. So I would suggest that you think about a specific theme. Maybe it's your favorite video game character, favorite athlete, maybe the ideal musician. And I just Googled best actors working today. And we're going to stitch together Tom Hanks, Kevin Spacey, Morgan Freeman, and Leonardo DiCaprio. So once you do a quick image search of 4 or 5 individuals, what we then need to do is copy and paste each individual into a new tab in Photoshop. So we're going to right click, we're going to select copy image, we're going to return to Photoshop, and I'm going to close out this tab. And so we just copied that image of Tom Hanks, and we then go to File, New, and Photoshop is really smart because it creates a canvas the exact dimensions of the image that we just copied. So as this is loading, I can see that it wants us to, it's offering us this clipboard, which is 300 by 300 pixels. We're going to click Create. And again, this is the exact dimensions of Tom Hanks. Beautiful. We're going to return to our internet browser, either Firefox or Google Chrome. We're going to right click this image. We're going to select Copy Image. We're going to return to Photoshop, File, New. We're going to press OK or Create, Command V, and it creates a space or like almost like a sheet of paper, the exact dimensions of that specific actor. All right, who doesn't love Morgan Freeman? Right click, copy image, Photoshop. We're going to go to File, New. We're going to press Enter or Create, Command V, and then one last time, let's grab Leo. He's pretty dreamy. Right click, copy image, File, New. That was your age, by the way, when Titanic came out. And we're going to press Create, Command V. Saw it 3 times in the theater. All right, so we've got our 4 individuals. We've also got this blank. So here's how this works. We're going to select the Marquee tool. That's a tool right underneath the Move tool. And just so you know, if you right click all of these tools, they're context sensitive. We're not going to use the elliptical today. We're going to use that tool tomorrow. Today, simply the rectangle tool. I'm going to press Command plus to zoom in some. And why not get his smile? So we're going to left click and drag. And now we've got this selection. We're going to press Command C to copy. We're going to return to our blank page. We're going to press Command V to paste. And that's really small, so we're going to press Command T. We're going to hold Shift. We're going to grab the corner, and we're going to drag it up some like so. We're going to press Check to confirm. Amazing. Let's get Kevin Spacey's left eye. So we're going to click and drag using the rectangular marquee. We're going to press Command C, return to the blank, Command V to paste. And it's really small, so I'm going to press Command plus to zoom in. I'm going to use the Move tool. I'm going to click and drag like so. Command T. That looks great. We're going to press Check to confirm. Let's grab Morgan Freeman's other eye. Command V to paste. All right, we can maybe put that like right there. And then finally, we'll get Leo's nose. Why not? All right, so rectangular marquee. We're going to click and drag. We're going to do Command C, Command V to paste, Command T to change the size. Now, a few things about this. The reason that these images are all pasting small is because the original image was a small file size. If we go to Photoshop and we click on Tools, we've got a number of subheadings, including size. If we click Large, we've got images with far higher resolution. And in fact, if we hover over an image, we can see the dimensions in the lower left-hand corner. And this, for example, is 1296 by 730. I'm going to left click and I'm going to right click once more. I'm going to copy image, Photoshop. We're going to go to File, New. We're going to press Create. Rule number one, patience, Command V, and now we see that this image is significantly bigger than the other ones. And so if I want to get this dude's chin, because we want our ideal actor to have a goatee, we're going to press Command C to copy, Command V to paste, and we can see that it's we didn't necessarily have to change the size at all. All right, ladies and gentlemen, you're gonna write your name and date. I'm super excited about a lot of creativity. We're gonna have minimally a dozen different images, layers, or attributes for your sort of Frankenstein character. Can't wait to see your work. Good luck.